Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Eva, and in today's video I want to test and try those heatless waves that went viral on TikTok and all over the internet. At first I wasn't interested in this type of curls at all. I've tried heatless curls before and unfortunately it was a disaster. I've tried the sock curls, I've tried the ones with like a headband, and my curls were all over the place. They were all like different size and different shape. Some of the girls that try this here do have like super straight and sleek and shiny hair to begin with, so their curls were amazing and just like shiny and nicely shaped. I want to see if this will work with like hair that is my texture, which is a little bit of puffy, frizzy and thick. So let's see if it's gonna perform any good or if I will just have to continue blow drying and using a regular curling iron. One thing is that there's so many tutorials, there's so many different like ways of doing those curls. Some girls are leaving their hair like 85% dry, some are just doing it on like a second day hair that is completely dry. My choice was to wash my hair and let it air dry to about like 90% because I don't want to get my hair frizzy, and I know my hair might turn frizzy. As you can see, it is very like fluffy and puffy at this point, and you need for those curls is a bathrobe tie, and the ones that are soft and plush perform better and the ones that are like the bigger ones, but unfortunately the one I have is like navy blue, and when I use it you won't be able to see what I'm doing, so I will be using this one that is very thin. I'm putting it double just to make it a little bit thicker. I'm really excited and hopefully it turns out good. I will just brush my hair, and I picked like there's so many different types of curls. I picked one that would be like easier for me to do, and then I like the result more. Like I'm not aiming for like tight and super curly hair. What I'm trying to achieve is like kind of wavy hair and like less frizz, and dividing it into two sections. And I'm using the rope tie, folding it in half so it is a little bit thicker, and placing it in the middle of my head and secure it. So I'm starting with a small section and just like wrapping it around the rope tie, and then you just like loop it around like so, and then I'm taking from the back as well, and just wrapping it around. And I will be doing it a little bit tighter because you have to stay like this for a few hours, ideally like 8 hours, 9 hours, sleep with it, so you don't want to like get it super messy. Like right here you divide it into two and start like going into crisscross motion. This is the style I picked. Some people just go around the rope with like the hair, they don't divide it into two, they just go around. And then just you're gonna secure it with an elastic. And I'm using two elastics just to make sure that it is nice and secured. And then same thing on the other side. So some people are doing this on like a second day here, and they are saying it like performs even better. But I wanted to have like clean hair to begin with, just because if I'm putting this effort and like doing all this, which to me doesn't seem like that easy, I want to have this hairstyle for like at least 3 days. I'm basically grabbing from the back, combining it with the hair right here, and just like wrapping it around. And then like right here I will divide it into 2 and start crisscrossing around the bathrobe tie. When you see those videos, you are like, okay, there's no way it won't turn out good, because their results are so good. So right now I'm very hopeful, but as I know my hair, that's another thing. Is like, do you really believe it's gonna work out for you? And here I'm just going to like wrap it like this, because my hair is layered, so this is a problem to finish off the ends. And you can sleep like this, it's comfortable. I'll see you in like few hours. So it has been 4.5 hours. I have to go out, so I decided to take those out. Okay. I'm like, I mean, they are curly, like, it's nice. They are very nice waves. And maybe if I stayed like longer, I'm sure they would be like curlier. Like nicely shaped and smooth. And the thing is, maybe if I stayed like longer, I'm sure they will be more like curlier, but also my hair is heavy and it weighs down the waves. I will just be using a little bit of polishing gloss that's very lightweight to smooth the ends. And just like give a little bit of shine. I like it. I'm definitely like gonna do it again. Maybe next time I can achieve like more of a curls if I want to. Like, I like it. So you can see a little better, and you can see actually like the dimension. It's nice waves. Actually very happy with the result, because I did achieve like nice waves. And also the nice thing is like there is a lot of volume in them, because when I do like regular curls with curling iron, they are super like sleek and shiny, but the hair like weighs down and it's not like there's never body and volume in the hair. With this, what I like with those is like the hair gets like a little bit fluffy, but it is like volume and just like very nice texture. Looks very natural, like beach waves, and I know I didn't use heat at all. And the great thing about it is like I stayed like this 4.5 hours. If I sleep in those, I'm sure like the curls will be tighter and like a little bit curlier, but overall I really like the result. I cannot wait to like do it again and experiment one more time. Thank you so much for watching this. If you guys happen to try this hair tutorial or these heatless curls and waves, please let me know how it went for you, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!